Back in 1991, when the organization was founded, it really wanted to serve community banks, and it wanted to do it in a really tangible sort of a way and help them to outsource technology so they could focus on being bankers. And then, sort of now as we look into the future, we continue to focus on the purpose of empowering community banks and our people to thrive together. And we just feel like scaling up the business really serves our customers and our employees really well.
When I graduated, I worked for a company that worked with community banks, and I think you start in that industry, and very few people leave that industry just because you just get connected to it. One thing that has remained the same through the years is this commitment to be looking forward for the banks, what they're going to be dealing with from a business and from a technology challenging situation which that certainly changes every year, and trying to figure out what we can do to proactively build solutions that can help them.
Yeah, so for me, the culture was very evident from day one. And, I saw this thread of the founding of the company by community banks, and the way in which the company served those banks being very tightly related. So there was this knowledge of what community bankers really wanted in a partner. And for me, coming from other technology companies, it was really refreshing because it was all about getting to know the people. It was about how can we serve you or be an extension of your team. And we have great technology, and technology is a part of it, but it was always secondary to making sure we understood the needs of the customer. And I saw that when I joined. I see that today, and I know that was part of why the company was founded 33 years ago.
Over time, the organization has just evolved. In 2011, at the 20th anniversary, when I arrived to help transition out the founding CEO, we had a focus on on things that are very different from what we have a focus on today. But when you pay attention to your customers, and when you pay attention to your customer needs, and your people care about having a tangible impact on community banks, that evolution is made a whole lot easier. It's not easy, but it's made easier when you have a bunch of passionate people that really care about serving the community bank in a very tangible way.
You want to grow. You want to bring on new clients because that gives you strength to do more things and to serve in new ways.
I am so excited about the coming together of these two organizations, and it really, again, all comes down to the people. So as we've gotten to know Safe Systems and their leadership team, they are so similar to us in terms of values, the culture that they've created. We're a larger organization. We're serving more banks. We're able to reach more people in more parts of the country.
I know that one of the things that that Team UFS has benefited from over the years is growth, and growth in the number of opportunities that they've had to broaden and expand their career and to challenge themselves. And I think this coming together also helps us to continue to be able to do that, to provide additional opportunities for people.
Our employees just mean everything to us. We try to have the mindset that we take care of our employees and they take care of our clients. Our leadership team knows their leadership team. We've gone very, very deep in figuring out how would this look for our clients and how would this look for our employees.
For all the folks at Safe Systems, we share your passion, we share your commitment to service. What I got excited about as I started to meet folks there was that everyone seemed to have the same desire to make the bank's life better, to make your customer's life better. We're going to have a larger organization. We're going to have more career opportunities. We're going to have in the neighborhood of about 270 people that are serving our customers across the country.
Now we have the ability to do this on a much broader scale and to bring more depth to our existing customers.
I feel like we've spent 30 years in business building to this point, and this is not going to be a new chapter. This is going to be a whole new volume of ways that we can help community banks across the country.
Community banks are embedded in their communities. They create job opportunities. They provide small business loans to new businesses. They allow families to get their first home through a mortgage. Our belief is that community banks are essential to the economy in this country. And if we can serve hundreds of community banks with great products and services, and they can serve thousands and millions of businesses and consumers, we believe that we've made an impact on this country.